Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today I am working in my family binder with $60 in prop money. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't know where we left off at, but I guess we start at the beginning. And let's go ahead to my daughter. And this is created by Budget with Carly. Save $60. Oh yeah, we completed one. I'm like, why this one haven't been scratched? We completed one for her last week. So we are doing this one. So let's do this side. And that is an 8. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next is my son. And this is created by Lemon Ivy. Save $60. Let's just go here. And that is a 6. Five and 6. Oh, let's put these 2 5s and grab this 10. There we go. Next is myself. This is created by Janelle Ray Budget, 60 plus. Let's do this one. And that is a 2. All right, I feel like I should do another one. Should I? Why not? Oh, and that's another 2, so that's $4. Okay. $4. Let's see. Do I got $1? I do. Put this $1 back and grab a 5. And we almost finished with this one. What's that? Yeah, 60 plus. Next is hubby. Saves $55 created by Bookish Mama Budgets. And let's do one on this side. And that is an 8. Five, 6, 7, 8. I can't believe it's September already. It's like, goodness. The years are flying. So this is created by Mischief Managed Budget. Just one more episode, I swear. And I have 4 cards left. So let's pick. Well, I don't even know why I did that. So I don't know what the amount is underneath. And after I complete the whole set, it says $120, I believe. So this is a 10. Oh, it's a star on TV. Is that Star Gem City Budgets? All right, $10. I want to finish this so bad, but I am going to wait. And this is saving for anything home related. Oh, I'm throwing everything. Next is for our adventures as a family. This is created by Bookish Mama Budget, saves $40. And let's go here. And that is a 4. Should I do another one? And nah. Let's put $1 back and grab a 5. Don't feel like, I'm just going to do that. Don't feel like doing the vacuum. Oh, next is emergency fund. And we are on this page. No, we are on the baby shocks. And let's do, see, we got, how much is this big boy? $3. Those are 10. Let's do a $5 one. Let's do 5. And let's do 7. So let's do $7. So I am going to do this baby shark up here. And I'm just going to do this, and then I'll come back and finish it. And then this shark here. And that is $7 I'm putting into emergency. All right. See, we got 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. Ooh, I kind of want to pull another card. What should I do? Should I finish this? I don't know, because I don't know. Let's do, because I think the amounts are 1 to 12. So I could do this one, but I also can finish this. But I don't even know. What am I doing? So this one is 5. Let's do, oh no. No. I thought it was only one skip or double. Oh dear, I'm in trouble. I might have an IOU, but I can't just skip it instead of doubling. Oh dear. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the chances of that being a 4? I don't know. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it because I don't want an IOU, so I'm just going to politely put that back. And let's put these $4. What I say? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8. Should I put another? Let's put another 5 into here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that leaves me with 3. Okay. So let's put another $5 into emergency. So another $5 into emergency. So then that will get rid of this shark, this last $5 shark. All right. And then so all we have is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more dollars. So we might finish this one next time. $9 more. All right, so then the last $3 will go into the buffer here. And this is a 100 envelope challenge. And I'm just taking my rollover cash I have left, so I will have an IOU. And this is going into my little buffer here, or rainy day, whatever you want to call it. And this is just a nice way of me doing the 100 envelope challenge. So that is $3. And this is created by Snowgarner 307. All right, gems, I think that is it. That was fun. I put, what was that? $60 into my family binder. And we didn't complete anything, but that's okay, because it looks like next week we will. So thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.